Ready? Hup! Yeah.
I mean, you go somewhere else, you're going to spend, $25 to walk in the door. This is a free event.
Wendy, look.
The living history area is all up and going, and we've got some really cool things to see over there, whether you want to learn about buffalo soldiers or Comanche warriors or gunslingers or blacksmiths, whatever you want to learn about, you can go over there and be educated. Yeah, a little bit of something different going on every day, and today we're judging our barbecue cook-off. We had over 50 teams this year, so it does qualify as a Jack Daniel's Invitational cook-off, which is great. So whoever wins here gets to go there if they want to go there, and that's really a great thing.